Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to upload Instagram Reels by using your PC, laptop or computer. So let's begin. First of all, you need to log into your Instagram account. For that, you go to Chrome browser and log into there. Then, the next thing you need to do is you have to add an extension from Web Store. For that, go to Web Store of Chrome and type Instagram. There you will see Insist Web Client for Instagram. Tap on that and add extension to your Chrome browser. Since I have already done so, it's telling me to remove from Chrome. But there you can easily add extension to your Chrome. Open and log in from Insist Web Client for Instagram. Since I have already downloaded and added my account to Insist, you can see how it looks like. There you will see below plus sign. Tap on that. You can see Reels. Tap there. Select the video which you want to upload as a Reels of your Instagram. So this is a video that I want to upload as a Reels for my Instagram account. Now click on next. There you can add music, change cover page, you can add hashtags, even you can tag to the people very easily like this. Even you can increase the sound volume, change the music background
हाय
like this.
दोस्तों मैंने रिसेंटली अपने खास दोस्त सिद्धार्थ शुक्ला का नया शो ब्रोकन बट
Like
ब्यूटीफुल
this.
3 देखा है
And click
एकदम
on share.
परफेक्ट कास्टिंग है और स्टोरी
You can see finish uploading is done and our work is uploaded. You can view our reels there. Hope this video helped you a lot. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Guys, do like, share, subscribe and comment in the comment box for further and new videos. Thank you.